Hi, my favourite cocktail of all time I think has to be the classic Martini, and that's what I'm going to make for you today. I'm going to make it with gin. You can use vodka if you wish, and I'm making mine with a twist, so I have a lemon rather than olives, but you can use olives if you wish instead. You'll need some vermouth, some dry vermouth, some gin. London dry gin tends to work best, but if you've got a favourite gin then do use that because that's the main ingredient here. A lemon, you're using it for the rind or the peel, and some orange bitters. Orange bitters are really part of the classic recipe, but you could use Angostura bitters if you wish. This is my favourite set. I've had this a couple of times now. This set comes with the orange bitters. It's from the Bitter Truth. It has celery bitters as well, which work great, especially if you're using the olives. And there's Creole bitters, aromatic bitters in here too, so really good set to look out for. So let's begin. This is the recipe that I have a preference for. You may want to adjust the gin and the vermouth as to your preference really, but I use 3 shots of gin, so 3 ounces of gin, which we'll pop into a mixing glass or a shaker glass. We're not actually going to shake this one. I got the right one. Yep. We're going to stir this one. That's again just comes down to preference. If you want to give it a shake, then please do. Some sort of thoughts that you don't shake a gin martini, but you would shake a vodka martini, for example. So again, personal preference on that one. So 3 gin. I should move that here. That looks a lot, but we'll fill the glass. And then half of vermouth. So about 15 mils of vermouth. Using a dry one is better. But if you do want to use a sweet vermouth, please do. So again, all comes down to personal preference. Some people prefer 2 measures of gin. I just like my gin, so I'm going to have 3. And then you just want a little bit of orange bitters, so a couple of dashes. This isn't really drops, but about that. And we're going to give it a good old stir. It's as simple as that. 3 ingredients really. Stir it up really well so that ice cools down, starts to melt a little bit. There we go. And then strain it into your cocktail glass. Really lovely. Oops, I'm losing it. There we go. Perfect martini. And then for a twist, I'm never really good at cutting these. You don't want to get the pith, that white fleshy bit in there. You just want the peel. If you can. So I tend to cut a slice and then cut around. Totally unelegant. Oops. I should have done this before I started. That would do. It's just for show. Well, it's not. You get a bit of flavour. So when you get your twist, you want to give it a twist. Really squish it round, and you'll see, not quite see on the screen, but there's some little drops of that lemon oil coming out, and then just drop it into your drink. You can hang it off the side if you wish, but that lemon oil that's in the zest is really what gives it a little zing. And that's our classic martini.